Good day! Welcome to Mr. Yuhai Pabi. So ito po yung ating unit na Army Armament R610-3 Limb cut style, color black, battle cut. So complete markings, high kappa mags, 30 rounds. So may bibis and gas, .20. Toy only, pasok si magazine, clicking sound. So always trigger finger out, toy only, kasa, release. So crown check po tayo. Test fire. Wala na ng gas. Yan, so nag-slide lock na po siya. Ibig sabihin wala na po siyang bibis or bala. Release natin yung magazine. Release natin yung slide. First the trigger, then hammer down. Thank you.